Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. Hey everyone, today is collab time with the group Beauty Over 40. Our theme is Daylight Saving Time ends on November the 3rd. Let's create a dark smoky eye to welcome falling back. So today's eye look is going to be a smoky eye look for the time falling back. We have fallen back in time, and our smoky eye look will represent the season. Beauty Over 40 collab comes out the last Tuesday of every month. If you'd like to join the Beauty Over 40 collab group, please reach out to LRH Makeup on Instagram. Smoky eye look. I'm going to start with a green. It's like a dark green, like a musky dark green. I will put that, I guess, all over my eyes because that's just what it is. Beauty Over 40 collab group. All the ladies' information is in my description box. Please go visit and see what eye look that they have created. Give them a like and a comment. And we appreciate you stopping by to look at all of our videos. Thank you for stopping by. Musky, swampy green, I call this. So we're doing a smoky something. I have no clue where I'm going with this, but so far I have a color down. So just keep watching. The process is simple and we will get the eyes done. Today's I am, it came from the comments. It says, I am determined to encourage myself. I am determined to encourage myself. Today's I am. What is your I am? Please put that in the comments. I like to write it down so I can talk about it on this channel because we want to keep encouraging each other. I am back with the smoky eye look for the group Beauty Over 40 collab. This is it. I did a smoky green eye look for this color. Please visit all the other ladies to see what smoky eye look that they created. We are falling back with the fall season time change. green smoky eye look, and everything else falls with the color of the leaves, like the lips and the blush and on my waterline. All of that is to reflect the different changes that happen with the leaves during fall season. Always remember your first. Love yourself plenty. Do not dim your light for another. Keep shining bright. If you're suffering with any, any, any sickness, mental health, or any other type of sickness, please seek help. Help is available.